Hello again. Getting back to this format. You must have heard about the terms like landlord and tenants. Landlord is somebody who owns a property, and a tenant is somebody who pays rent to this landlord. Did you know it has a feudal origin? Back in the feudal times, the feudal lord was called landlord, lord of the land, who had given this land by the king for his loyalty. This feudal lord used to hire landless laborers to till the farm of his land. These landless laborers became tenant. These landless laborers used to till the farm for the lord, and in return they used to pay taxes to this landlord. The landlord used to earn from them, but they were tied to the land, and therefore they were kind of a slave of that landlord. In Indian context, a landlord was someone like Jagirdar or Zamindar, and tenants were basically the kisan working on those lands. When Industrial Revolution happened, a same format worked in the cities, where capitalists were the landlords. They owned the factory, they owned the mills, and they set up tenements or chawls for these laborers who used to work for the capitalist. This feudalism was so strong back in the day that till about 1918, you had to be a landlord to be able to vote in the British elections for the parliament, making the Westminster system a feudal democracy. A citizen who did not own any land in the UK was not allowed to vote. Things changed, we moved towards proper democracy. Laws were passed making these tenants the owners of the land they lived in, and they were freed from these landlords. Fast forward to now, the real estate prices are going so high and the income of workforce is not going that great. This means owning land will be a luxury only for the ultra rich, somebody with generational wealth, or something like a corporate. And the labor force will have to pay rents to these landlords of the future. So, are we going towards a new kind of feudalism? Let me know in the comments. This is Pranav, and you're watching Pravyav Now.